guys, Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today I'm doing an unboxing of the LG G8 ThinQ. So I haven't bought a flagship phone in a while, and I didn't want any of the Samsung S series devices. I'm more of a Note fan, and decided to look at the LGs. I've been an LG fan for a long time, and I just haven't bought one for a minute. But the LG G8 ThinQ caught my attention. I've been watching some of my favorite YouTubers unbox this and talk about it, and talk about some of the good things about this device. So I decided to pick it up. Another deciding factor was the price that Best Buy had for it. I picked this up from Best Buy. So Best Buy right now, if you update your line, you can get this device. I had to do an update on one of my lines, upgrade I should say, and I get to save $300, as you can see right there. $17.66 a month for 30 months. What I normally do is I'll go that route and then I'll pay it off later on. So $300 savings off of $529. Very good deal for this flagship device. So the ThinQ's been out for, the LG G8's been out for a while. And let's look at some of the specs before I get in this. So this is running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. Comes with 9.0 Pi, 4G LTE speeds. Has a 6.1 OLED touchscreen, 3120 by 1440 resolution. That's 564 PPI. 128 gigabytes of internal memory with a micro SD card. You can use this for a hotspot. This has the crystal sound OLED speakers. Has a stereo boombox speaker, air motion, IP68 rated, military. This is military grade tested as well, and it has hand ID to unlock your phone. So a lot of great features with this device, and I'm looking forward to checking it out. Like I said, I've had plenty of LG phones. Right now I'm recording this with the LG V20, and still a great phone. So here's here's what's in the box right here. You get the phone, travel charger, USB data cable, SIM card, and quick start guide. So I picked up the gray one. It's platinum gray. So let's check it out, man. I'm very excited. Like I said, kind of got away from LG when my LG G4 did the boot loop on me. But I always still been a fan. Like I said, I had the G5. And so here's the content. You get this nice microfiber cleaning cloth right here. Get the device straight off the bat. It has a little weight to it. We'll look at that in a minute. See what's else in the box. All right, so you got a little packet here with some goodies, like I like to call it. And I do these, maybe they put something extra in mine, probably not, but that's why I like to do an unboxing. So you get your let's get started guide here. You get some other paperwork here. You get a SIM card, ejection tube, and you get your product safety and warranty information. So doesn't look like they put anything extra in my box, but we're not through unboxing it yet. So let's check it out. Let's put that over to the side. So you do get your USB to Type-C cable here. That's nothing there. And then you get your charger here, which is a fast charger, you can see. So like I said, nothing extra, no speaker, headphones or anything like that. So let's drop this back over here. Let's take a look at the device. So here's the front of it here. You can wait on that distraction stuff here. Let's get this out of the plastic here. Oh, you do get this card here. Didn't see it. This is a 2nd year promise note here. So there it is right there. You got to register for this. So that's a good deal that LG has there. So let's get the phone out. Ooh, I can tell you right now, I do like the color of this, man. Must be very, very slippery. So here is the device, man. This gray is a beautiful color gray, man. I don't know if my camera's picking that up, but wow. Kind of glad I didn't get that black one now. Platinum gray, man. This is beautiful. And around the sides of it here continues. This looks like a silver here. My lighting, I can't see it right now, but when I do my follow-up review on it, I will tell you what color it is. Maybe I could have a little bit better lighting. Feels good in the hands straight off the bat, man. This is beautiful, man. Wow. So on the back, you got your cameras here. You got your dual cameras here. You got your fingerprint sensor, your flash, LG branding, G8 ThinQ branding there, LG down at the bottom. You do have your power button here, your SIM card tray right there. On the bottom, you have a speaker, your charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack, your Google Assistant button, volume up and down, and a microphone right there, and another mic at the top. So this is beautiful, man. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up and see if we got any power to it, and just take a look at the device, see how much storage is out the box as well. But yeah, man, let me drop my information in, then we'll come back and take a look at it, guys. So we're back in, and I haven't set any apps, anything like that. I just skipped through everything. I'll set it up in a little while. Just amazed at the size of this and just the beauty of this device, man. It feels very good in the hand. Let's go ahead and see how much storage you get out of the 128 straight out the box. So let's go into storage here. So out of the 128, you get 104 free, and it's taking up 18%, man. But LG's skin on here is not bad. It looks good right here. I see the notch up there. I see the notch shining right there. But straight off the bat, man, this looks very good. So you do have some bloatware here. You got an AT&T full of bloat right there. My AT&T, you got some Facebook. I see a game here. And then I guess you got your Google stuff over here. Like I said, I haven't even connected it to the internet or anything, but so far it looks good. And I'm really digging the size of this device, man. So yeah, man, that's my first unboxing. And this gray color doesn't look like it's gonna attract too many fingerprints so far, man. But this is, like I said, this is a really nice device, man. Looking forward to bringing some more coverage of it. Just unboxing, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.